guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng bigay ng mga naga-OGT dito, yung naga-training sa nutritional. So, binigyan nila ako ng ng hadiah daw for the Eid. So, huli na related. So, bubuksan natin. So, we have, galing siya sa Korea. Ito siya, gusto ko to siya. My God, it's 100. And here, the picture is yes, miss? Yeah. Oh, eligible. So, no need. Okay. So, stopping intake that formula? Okay. How do I pay the sure sa Indomos Studas, Okay. Well, I will try to talk to them. Okay. Just continue, guys. I got this lipstick. Yeah, I love it.